forecast starts now with Chief Meteorologist Eric Finkenbinder.
Today was perfect, wasn't it? And I mean that. Seriously, we need rain. Let's get it on a Monday, not a weekend, not on a Friday. Let's have rain on a Monday, and that's exactly what happened. And we picked up some rain. This wasn't a super soaker. As we go outside now, wrapping things up, and I love the decorations. We even have them happening. I'm standing in front of one of the trees that we have there by the corner. But no snow. I don't know if we'll see any snow here leading into Christmas other than some of the snowflakes we saw, the first week of December when we had some of that colder air. Certainly not cold. Is it like a chilly damp? Yes. 43 degrees. The air is calm. If you're going to be running any errands this evening, we don't anticipate any additional rain this evening. Perhaps moving into tomorrow afternoon, but particularly Wednesday is going to be another one of those soggy days. So how much rain did we get? Well, some of the higher amounts, when you look at Mercersburg, Willow Hill, Marysville, and Chambersburg, about a third, about 4/10 of an inch. Mercersburg, I think, is our highest, almost at a half inch of rain. So for the most part, a third. And yes, we stayed a little bit on the chillier side because of the rain. You can see that cold air kind of dammed in east of the Appalachians, but you get west. Pittsburgh right now at 54. So I would not be surprised if we actually warm a few degrees overnight. Kind of the opposite thinking of what we normally expect overnight. So there'll be some warming overnight. Will lead to a milder day tomorrow as this warm front lifts to the north. But an area of low pressure that we see down across Oklahoma, that'll pick up more moisture from the Gulf, move in our direction as we move into Wednesday. Even before then, though, I still expect a few showers tomorrow afternoon. So here we go. We're just overcast, cloudy tonight into tomorrow morning. Then by the afternoon, we're going to say after lunchtime, there'll be a few showers. This isn't going to be the steady rain like we saw earlier today until we get into Tuesday night, Wednesday morning. Watch what happens as we start to see more of that moisture lifting northward. And I would say that Wednesday would be one of those days that were rather wet for most of the daylight hours. So how much rain are we looking at? Tomorrow, not much. Again, afternoon, a couple of passing showers. Let's get into Wednesday, and you can see we start to add it up more. So a half inch to maybe an inch of rain in places as we go through Wednesday. So let's see if we can get some rain. And then as we get into the weekend, we'll try to at least have a dry start. But it does seem like it's a bit more of an active pattern, doesn't it? We had rain today. More rain on Wednesday. We get cold and blustery Thursday. A quiet start Saturday, and perhaps more rain on Sunday. So no snow, but at least we're getting some rain.
All right. Thank you.
Yeah.